Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can turn $10 into a $50 to $100 a day online business. Now this concept comes from a course that I recently got called LeadsLeap Profits. All right, now this comes from a YouTuber, her name Danny Cash. What's up, Danny, if you're watching this video? So anyway, this course teaches you how to start generating a recurring monthly income using the LeadsLeap platform. Now, if you're not familiar with what LeadsLeap is, it's basically an all-in-one marketing platform for internet marketers, right? So basically you can create landing pages, opt-in pages. You can build email lists, set up autoresponders. Is everything you need if you're in the internet marketing or affiliate marketing, right? So Danny created a course basically teaching people everything they need to know about leads profits, all right? And the course is surprisingly, well, I won't say surprisingly, because y'all don't know Danny like that, but the course is only $10, right? So when I got it, I'm like, it looks cool, but $10, I wasn't really expecting too much, to be honest with you, right? But like the videos are broken down, extreme detail. It takes you step by step, everything you need to start generating a real income from the LeadsLeap platform. So I was like, I'm waiting for like some sort of like upsell. I'm waiting for, something, like major, because I'm like, this all you get for $10. Like, you get all of this information for just $10. I really was surprised. So shout out to you, Danny. But basically it just takes you step by step, everything you need to get started. Now, when I say, turn $10 into a $50 to $100 a day online business, because to actually get access to the information, you need the course, right? To get the training course. The course is only $10. That's it. You got $10, right? And once you pay that $10, now you have access to all of the training, but now you also have resale rights to the course. So you can promote LeadsLeap Profits and start earning $10 commissions, because these are 100% instant commissions, and you can receive these commissions via PayPal, Zelle, Cash App, whatever you prefer, right? And it's a super easy sale because it's well worth it. The training that you get in LeadsLeap Profits, easily this could be a $97 course, right? If she wanted to charge that, she could, right? Another cool thing about it is not only does it teaches you how to earn a recurring income using LeadsLeap platform, she also has all these other platforms that you can earn referral income from in the back office once you're a member of LeadsLeap Profit. So if you are new to making money online, or you're looking for a quick way to earn some cash, you definitely want to check out LeadsLeap Profits, because it's super easy to get started. It's super cheap, and the earning potential is really, really good. And you can learn how to get recurring income, right? So if you want to check this course out, you already know, link in the description. Oh, one more thing too. It gives you, for $10, right? Not only does it give you all the training that you need to know about LeadsLeap, she actually gives you the sales page that you need so you can promote LeadsLeap Profits. She gives you everything you need to promote the system to start earning instant $10 commissions. And keep in mind, because this system is so cheap, right, and good, you can rack up them $10 all day, all day, all day. And keep in mind, you'll be earning on the back end with LeadsLeap. So check it out, and when you get it, follow the steps. All you got to do is follow the steps in the system, and you'll be good to go. All right, check it out. Comment below. Let me know what you think about the course after you get it. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.